When At Home in the World was published, there was one word that was used over and over again, describing my book and describing me. And the word was shameless. Like, that's a bad thing to be shameless. I have basically been writing my entire life, and I've been publishing memoirs since I was a teenager. I started writing for 17 magazine when I was 14, sent off articles and they began publishing them, worked on this story and sent it off to the New York Times, and 3 weeks later, there I was in full color with an article, An 18-year-old Looks Back on Life. It was an explosion in my life. In 1998, I set out to write the honest memoir, the real story of my life that I had not published when I was 19. The critic for Time magazine said, now that Joyce Maynard has told the only story that she has of any value, we will never have to hear from Joyce Maynard again. And that actually inspired me to prove them wrong. There are so many reasons why people don't tell their story. They say, who cares? What have I done that matters? I'll embarrass my relatives. I'll be embarrassed myself. I wasn't supposed to tell that story. I was supposed to keep the secret. A qualification for writing good memoir is being courageous about looking at the truth of your life. I'm not afraid anymore. Whatever the worst thing was that was going to happen has happened already, and I've survived. And I'm going to tell you how you can not only survive the experience of telling your story, but be stronger and more powerful for it.